Hi everyone, I just want to tell you something what I got off Facebook Marketplace today. I'm a little bit over this product I've been wanting for a little while. It is for my Honda brush cutter, the 4-stroke, what I am currently using. I'm currently using the butterfly for my cutting head, but now I might even change it. I've been looking at some of these other quick glow trimmer heads. I would like to try them out. At the time when I bought the butterfly, I couldn't afford it. It is a little bit over $100 something, but I got one far cheaper than that. Now I got it in front of me. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace at a suburb of Bolton Point, which I won't go into no further detail of the owner. He told me he can't use it because he's got arthritis and he can't twist it. And this is the product. Genuine Honda trimmer head. And this is called a quick load. As I said, it's a quick load. It's still sealed. I haven't took it out the package just yet. I am a little bit very happy, and gee, I can't wait to use this. I can't really wait to use this at all. It's going to work out a little bit good, but I still love my Honda butterflies. If you don't know what a butterfly is, I'll try to put a link provided in the description bar. You can go and have a look at it and check it out for yourself. They meant to wind your line in just a few seconds. I haven't got my glasses with me. I'm just so excited. I forgot to grab it. Quick and easy refill, no tools, no disassembly, which is good. And it looks like it has got a 2.4 millimeter line on it in the packet. So I can't wait just to try it out. Anyway, so I'm quite happy. I'm going to try it out on my client's place when I can. There is a little booklet in there, so I'll leave a link up in there, so you can check out what I was talking about at the time. Which line trimmers should I use? Trimmer line, that is, not line trimmers. I'm going to do that another day. So anyway, I can't wait to use this at all. So there it is again. I'm super happy. If you wanted to know how much I paid for it, I only paid $50. Quite impressive. Yeah, I only paid $50. It's not too bad actually. May have seen it a little bit cheaper every occasion, maybe like Amazon or eBay. So there you have it. That's all. Quick and easy in just under 5 minutes of this video footage. Let's see what I'm doing next. So like and subscribe and watch another video if possible. It helps my channel. Thanks for watching.